Hello, and hope you all are doing well. It's time for us to bring out some honest reviews by looking at websites that claim to pay you by doing tasks online. Now, in the past, we've looked at applications like Cashwalk, where you literally get paid to simply walk. And we also talked about Sweatcoin and the authenticity of that application. But today, there are a couple of sites that we will look into after checking proper reviews by real people. Okay, so you can make money by these applications by downloading them or by using the website directly. Are you ready? The first one today on our list is called Paid Work. Go to Google, type Paid Work, and click on the first link. Now, this is what the site should look like. All right, and the app is going to look similar to the site. So, how does Paid Work actually work? Pretty straightforward. You sign up free and you start earning. But is it really that simple? Well, you can earn by watching videos, playing games, doing online shopping, and taking surveys. Now, that is what you should not do because taking surveys is going to waste your time. You can watch videos or play games, but keep in mind that you get anywhere from 2 to 10 cents per video. All right, 2 to 10 cents per video. So it's going to take you a long time to earn big money. Second on our list is Rewardy.io. Now, this is what the site should look like. Again, you have survey options, which I suggest you skip because most of the time you're not qualified to do a survey. But maybe you can try it out and see for yourself if that really works. Now, some key features what I found interesting in this website is listen and earn. Now, this is a great way to make money where we all listen to music. Now, if you are that person who keeps listening to music like me, you may as well get paid for it. So you could earn a couple of cents every day just by listening to music. Watching videos gives you rewards as well. And I would say that this site is better than the first one. All right, so you can also earn by playing games, but if you need to get a huge amount, you must reach a particular level in a game, which could take you a long time, probably a month or probably more. Both sites claim that you can earn cash by claiming PayPal gift vouchers. So time for the reviews. Now, Paid Work has got mixed reviews with 60% of them being negative. Many users complained that they had a delay in experiencing payouts, but some have got their money, so be aware and cash out at the bare minimum to try it out first. The same goes with Rewardy.io. It takes time for people to earn on this platform, but payouts do happen. Some have experienced registration issues initially, but both sites do pay you a small amount which could eventually build up. So that's all for today. I hope this helped, and I will see you all again on the next video.